This video will show you how to install and set up C2 Password Android app. You'll find the timestamps of each section in the video description. Download the app from Google Play Store. Then tap Sign In or create a Synology account to proceed. Set up C2 encryption key to protect your data. And remember to save your recovery code in case you lose your C2 encryption key. You can enable biometrics for fast access to your accounts. Enable autofill passwords and select C2 password. Enter your C2 encryption key or unlock it with biometrics to access. You can now enjoy the convenience of using autofill whenever you access any websites and applications. To add new autofill items for a new website, tap Add Login Information. Enter your account and password, and then tap Save and Fill. Your sign-in details can now be automatically filled in and securely stored in C2 Password. To learn more about C2 Password, subscribe to the Synology YouTube channel and click the videos here to keep watching.